Don't you know what you're supposed to do when you're riding on the street? Yeah, of course. Okay, well, how about we do a little review? Always check your bike's condition with the ABC check before you ride. If you aren't sure how to, make sure to watch the How to Ride a Bike video in this Safe Routes to School series. With your bike working properly now, let's check your outfit. It's good to wear bright and or reflective material so you can be easily seen by drivers. Now that we've got that down, you'll need to learn the hand signals. Just like a car, you will need to let others know if you will be stopping or turning, but instead of blinkers, you'll be using your left arm. Try it with us now. To signal you are turning left, stick your left arm out straight to the side. To signal you are turning right, bend your arm at a 90-degree angle with your palm facing forward. And to signal you are stopping, your palm should be facing the back, but keep your arm bent at a 90-degree angle. Now here's how you would use those signals at an intersection. Don't forget that just like a car, whether you are biking or rolling, you also need to follow the rules of the road, like stopping at stop signs, at an intersection, you would stop, look left, right, all around you to make sure that there are no cars or pedestrians that are coming. If there was a car at a stop sign before you, you would let that car go first. Don't forget to keep your eye out for any pedestrians that might want to cross the street, and make sure you give them enough space for them to do so. Also, when you are biking on the street, make sure to keep as far right to the lane as you can, leaving room for passing cars, and to use the bike lane when possible. Lastly, be aware of driveways. You'll never know when a car might be coming out of their garage or backing up from the driveway. The streets are for everyone, so let's make sure we do our part and keep each other safe. Bye from your ride. Then, when you are all done or want to take a break, make sure you lock your bike properly. You want to make sure to lock both of your wheels and the bike frame to the bike rack. You can see that she is using two different types of bike locks. The first lock she used is called a U-lock. You can tell because it has the shape of the letter U. This lock requires a key. You simply enter the key in, twist it, and you can see that it comes off between the bar and the U-shaped metal. The other type of lock she used is called a cable lock, which uses a number combination. This lock is sold at different lengths and is flexible. If you aren't completely ready to take on the streets, take advantage of the slow streets to practice. Slow streets are all over the Bay Area, creating more space for bikers and pedestrians. Check out this video's description for more information on slow streets and where you can find one in your neighborhood. See you out on the streets!